Hey guys, I've been getting this question lately, and I think it's a great question to address because I want to make sure that everyone is on the same page as far as how to make sure that you are accessing all the information you need. So what we're going to do today is I'm just going to walk you through the steps on making sure that you can locate the information that you need to complete each day in history class. So normally when you wake up in the morning, you log in, you'll see your daily lesson is listed on your course page under your schedule. So that's a great way to access it. I'm just going to go through a different way just to show you that there is more than one way to find and complete a lesson. So if I know that today I should be completing Unit 2 Lesson 1, then I can just go to my class page and I can click Unit 2 up here in the class content taskbar. And that opens up all of Unit 2. And there we go, there's my Unit 2 Lesson 1 assignments. So first, of course, I'm going to start off with Learn because I should never do my assessment first. I'm going to click on my Unit Introduction and just start from the top, work my way down. So you always, like I said, start from the top, work your way down. Make sure that you are reading the information, and then when you're reading the information and you finish, you click Next to go to the next topic. And here's the important part, because many of these lessons, they do have these tabs at the bottom that you also need to make sure that you are paying attention to, because as you can see here, you need to click over to page 2 in order to access the really important information. So first, you're going to need your student guide. Your student guide is the best at guiding you through the lesson. It is literally your student guide. It tells you about a brief introduction. It tells you vocabulary words. It gives you these links, these clickable links to materials that you need for today's lesson. It also tells you some important vocabulary words, but the most important thing is it tells you what to do for the day. So your first activity is to look at your daily checklist. Your second activity is to read chapter 3 from, and you see it says the pages. So it tells you exactly what pages to read, and then use those pages to complete the reading guide, which you can find up here by clicking on this link. So it is very cut and dry. It tells you exactly what to do. It tells you when to read and what page numbers to read, and it even tells you what worksheets to complete. That is going to be very important to you because, as you see when I click out and I go through the remaining parts of my lesson, because I should always read next the daily checklist and read about the next part is expanding industry. Make sure you complete all of that. When you get to the bottom, the assessment may ask you about things such as what you've completed on the worksheet. So it's important that you do access these worksheets, these reading guides, and complete them so that you do well on your assessment. So hopefully that was of some help to you to show you how to access all of the materials. And I know that some of you maybe are watching this video in order to earn the bonus points from the announcements. So if you are watching this video for bonus points, the key word to earn your bonus point is history, HISTORY.